at the gates, racing, gas is started. We have okay, approved, break, quickly at the start. Taiwan is on the outside, dynamic love. Unequal comes next, Gandameg Zaya, while Conquistador is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have okay, approved by our length. And in second, now is Tayuman, dynamic love is racing into the unequal comes next Gandameg Zaya, while Conquistador is still racing in 6. And as they swing down the back, we have okay, approved by about half length. Tayuman in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Dynamic Love, unequal comes next Gandameg Zaya, and here comes Conquistador, now moving up to take tip inside the 3 octavo. We have okay, approved by our link. Tayuman still in second, moving up now on the outside is unequal to take third. Then comes Conquistador, Dynamic Love, then while Gandameg Zaya now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. Tayuman by about 2 lengths, moving up now on the outside. Now is unequal. Conquistador, okay, approved, is done on the inside with about 150 meters more to run. Tayuman by about 2 lengths, unequal is on the outside. Conquistador, and finally it's Tayuman, unequal. Conquistador, Gandameg Zaya, okay, approved. Dynamic Love.
4, 5, 2, 3. Actually, trifecta lang tayo.